Yo, what is up, squad? Yeah, so as you guys can see, it's me. I'm back with another video. As you guys can know, I haven't been doing videos, but
yeah, you did, guys.
Click the subscribe button. Make sure you join the squad.
No, the squad. He's a bad brother.
Please get like, I'll go easy on you. Give me like 10 likes, please.
No,
Turn on the notification bell. Yeah.
10 likes
And so what I'm gonna be doing today, I'm gonna be telling you of what I've not been doing that much videos because I mean, like, I was at school and I didn't have time, so yeah. And I was so happy yesterday. We got our little puppies.
Yep.
Yesterday I was asleep, dude. I was not asleep.
No, I was watching the.
I was watching my iPad, and I just saw my niece's mom come in the room, and she showed me a little like thing. I was like, is that a little bear? But then I saw it furry, so I was like, oh my god, it's a dog. It was so cute. We actually got 2. You guys want to see them? Click in the link. What the heck? Who landed that bottle? Alright, so you guys can see them. Let's go see the little puppies. They're asleep right now, so yeah. I don't have a shirt, but okay. Alright, ready, guys? Guys, uncover them. Uncover them. Yo. Oh my god, they're so cute.
And look at them, guys.
Watch, guys.
They're so cute. They're like little babies.
Look, guys. You guys want to see them?
Yeah.
Alright, so here's one.
Yeah.
Here's one. Look, guys. Wait, guys. Wait. Little guys. He's so cute. It's a she. The name is Meanie, and that one's name one's name is Peluda.
Yeah, and
Peluda.
she's so cute.
Look at this one.
Guys,
They're actually dogs.
Yeah, guys, you actually like them. They're little baby dogs.
Oh, they're so cute.
Oh, let them go to sleep back.
Alright, they're gonna go back into their little house. Go check. That's Peluda. This one right here, the hairy one, that's Peluda.
She's so big.
They're cute, huh? Yeah, so I was happy yesterday because I got to see them. So yeah.
We totally saw them when I was watching my phone.
So yeah, I got to saw them. I was so happy. Wait, guys.
Make sure to give us a big thumbs up for little puppies. Give a big thumbs up.
Yeah. I'm really happy, dude. That was so good. Having little puppies.